Welcome in this new episode of road touring from the most amazing road on the planet. Today we're going to bring you with us to a very suggestive road that makes its way through a red canyon. We are in Guillaume in the Provence Alps Côte d'Azur, and in front of us starts the Gorges of Daluis. 12 kilometers long, this part of the 2202 route starts from Guillaume to finish in Daluis town, which gives also the name to the canyon, or Gorges, as also French people say. The road goes alongside the Vars river that eroded the rock in millions of years to give us this unique gorge. Beautiful. The first main feature you can see is the distinctive red color of the rock and the ground. And in case you're asking, that's for a particular clay colored by iron oxide emerged out from the Earth's deepnesses 300 million years ago. But we only need to know that driving in such a color contrast, in such a windy road, is something unique. Its other characteristic is its position constantly on the edge of a cliff, as a true balcony road should be. The two lanes are not very wide, but we think often they take different paths. In fact, often happens to be in front of a kind of a fork, where one lane passes inside the mountains, while the other on the outside, through 17 tunnels. 17. It doesn't even seem to be in Europe anymore here, but in Colorado or in some far west wastelands. So special these places. We reached the Daluis town through the homonymous canyon, but our journey to the best roads in the world lives on. So, be sure to be subscribed to support us. Hit the bell icon for our latest updates. And let us know with a comment below what you liked the most of today's trip and follow us. From Road Touring is all, see you next time. Ciao!